Good morning, my dear kids. I hope you all are ready for the new lesson of conversation question answers from the book Speak Well Conversation. Open your book to page number 11. Page number 11. Today we will read chapter 4 and the topic is My Classroom. Children, in this lesson you can see a picture here. This picture is of a classroom. Okay? Few students are sitting in the class and teacher is teaching here. So children, in this lesson teacher is asking few questions from the students. Who are students here? You are student. And who is your teacher? I am your teacher. So today I am going to ask you few questions and you will answer. But don't worry. If you don't know the answers, I am going to help you out. Fine? Come to question number 1. Here I am asking, in which class do you study? In which class do you study? So you will answer, I study in class UKG. I study in class UKG. Question number 2. Teacher is asking, how many students are there in your class? Here I am asking, how many students are there in your class? So children, I know that you don't know about your class strength. So today I am going to tell you about your class strength section wise. Fine? So listen very carefully. I am going to tell about class KGA. Students of KGA will say there are 45 students in my class, and KGBA students, you will say there are 44 students in my class. Now KGC students, you will say there are 45 students in my class. Children, class strength can be changed in future because of new admissions. Now question number 3. Here teacher is asking, how many doors and windows are there in your classroom? How many doors and windows are there in your classroom? So dear kids, you have not seen your new classroom due to this pandemic COVID-19. But here I am going to tell you about your classroom. There are 2 doors and 3 big windows in my classroom. There are 2 doors and 3 big windows in my classroom. Fine. Now question number 4. Here teacher is asking, where do the students sit? Where do the students sit? So you will answer, the students sit on the benches. Question number 5. Here teacher is asking from you, now look around your classroom. Name some of the things that you see hanging on its wall. So children, currently you are not sitting in your classroom due to coronavirus. But if you were sitting in the classroom, you would have been able to see there is a green board, a calendar, and few beautiful charts and painting hanging on the wall. Fine. Now question number 6. Teacher is asking, who has made all these wall hangings and pictures? Turn the page. Here you will answer, all these wall hangings and pictures have been made by the students with the help of parents and teachers. What you'll say? You'll say, all these wall hangings and pictures have been made by the students with the help of parents and teachers. Fine? Now come to question number 7. Now teacher is asking, what is the blackboard used for? So in our class there is a green board. So I will ask this question, what is the green board used for? So you will answer, the green board is used for writing by the teachers. Now question number 8. Now teacher is asking, it means I am asking from you, what is the use of chalk and duster in the class? What is the use of chalks and duster in the class? So you will answer, the teacher writes with a chalk on the green board and duster is used to clean the green board. Fine. Now come to question number 9. Teacher is asking, is there any almirah or cupboard in your classroom? Is there any almirah or cupboard in your classroom? So you will answer, yes, there is one almirah or cupboard in my classroom. Fine. Come to question number 10. Here teacher is asking, what is the use of an almirah there? So you will answer, our class teacher keeps our notebooks, books, charts, chalk, duster, etc. in the almirah or in a cupboard. Okay. Now question number 11. Now I am asking, what is a dustbin used for your classroom? What is a dustbin used for in your classroom? So you will answer, we throw all our garbage and waste paper in it. Fine. Now question number 12. Teacher is asking to complete the sentence in your own word. So there is a sentence which you have to complete. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. We should keep our surroundings clean. So children, today we have read and learned from the lesson 4 and the topic was my classroom. The same chapter you have to revise with your parents at home. Till then, bye-bye.